just landed in Dumaguete. Philippine Airlines welcomes you to Dumaguete. Call time is 39 minutes past the hour of 10 in the morning, and the date today is December 5, 2025 on a Friday.
Attention everyone, we will be landing in a few minutes. Please ensure that your seatbelts are securely fastened. Cabin crew, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened. Sa ating mga pasahero, sa loob po lamang ng ilang sandali, tayo ay lalapag na. Tiyakin na nakakabit ang inyong mga seatbelt. Sa lahat ng cabin crew, manatiling nakaupo at nakakabit ang seatbelt.